How to replace an air conditioning condenser on a 2004 Acura TSX. First, you're going to have to look through these little holes here and find the bolts to unscrew. You need to remove the freon lines connecting to the condenser. Then remove the top plates here. These have two, I believe, 10mm bolts, and they have rubber grommets there to hold it in place. This is the old unit removed. You can see the grommet on top, the rubber part, and also where the freon lines go. The high and low side need to be disconnected before you remove the condenser. You can see the hole there where the rubber goes, and also you can see the freon line there. Make sure there's no freon in the system before you remove this. You have to remove the freon first. Here's the new condenser. Here's the old rubber grommets that I need to install on the top and the bottom. They are orientated, so make sure you put the right ones in the right spot. Here's a close-up of the bottom one. Here's that little screw hole there. You have to make sure to fit a socket through there, and there's a close-up of the bolt that you have to undo and reinstall. Here's the low side where I'm going to install the freon after I've completed the job. Make sure to vacuum it first. That's for another video. Have a great day.